In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best digital multimeters available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the digital multimeters list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the digital multimeters mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, NJTY T58B/T58C Smart Multimeter. The multimeter is a reliable tool for professionals and DIY users. With 9,999 counts and an auto-ranging feature, it accurately measures voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, and more. The large LED backlit display ensures easy visibility in dim environments, while its smart inductance detection adds precision for complex circuits. Compact and durable, it's ideal for home repairs, electronic diagnostics, and fieldwork. Perfect for users who need both functionality and accuracy in one smart tester. Number 4, Sunshine DT17 and Auto Multimeter. The multimeter delivers professional-grade measurement accuracy in a compact design. With auto-ranging, it easily detects AC, DC voltage, current, resistance, and continuity. The bright LCD screen ensures clear readings, while its sturdy build withstands frequent use in workshops. Ideal for repair technicians, electricians, and hobbyists, this meter simplifies diagnostics and maintenance tasks. Its automatic detection function makes it beginner-friendly and efficient for everyday testing and troubleshooting. Number 3, ZOYI ZT-R01 Thermal Multimeter. The multimeter, an infrared thermal imager designed for electricians and engineers. It measures voltage, current, resistance, and temperature with exceptional accuracy while providing real-time thermal imaging to identify hot spots and faulty components instantly. The push-button control and HD screen enhance usability, and its durable casing makes it suitable for professional environments. Perfect for advanced users who need both measurement precision and visual diagnostics in one device. Number 2, GVDA Smart Rechargeable Multimeter. The multimeter combines innovation with convenience. Featuring true RMS, 9,999 counts, and a full-color LCD display, it ensures accurate readings for AC, DC voltage, current, resistance, and continuity. Its rechargeable battery and compact design make it ideal for portable use. Built with intelligent auto-ranging and overload protection, this multimeter suits both professionals and home users. Whether you're testing circuits or repairing household electronics, GVDA provides accuracy, clarity, and ease of use. Number 1, ANENG and 870 Professional Multimeter. The multimeter is a top-tier tool for precise electrical measurements. With 19,999 counts and true RMS technology, it measures AC, DC voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, and frequency with exceptional accuracy. The NCV, non-contact voltage, feature adds safety, while the large LCD screen enhances readability. Its ergonomic design and intelligent functions make it perfect for both professionals and hobbyists. It offers durability, precision, and modern functionality for all your electrical testing needs.